This video is one among the series of videos I have created for pre-calculus, and this particular video comes under the finance section of pre-calculus topics, simple interest. Now we would like to make decisions about financial matters now as well as for the future to improve our chance for success in life. And how do you compare student loans to make the best choice? Is dealer financing a better option than taking the rebate on a new car purchase? How do you know when refinancing a home mortgage is the best choice? So for all these questions, we can find answers here in this particular section. There are few examples for simple interest. Bank pays an interest for the money we invest. We pay interest for the mortgage or the loan we borrow from the bank. And also the simple interest is calculated on a yearly basis, which is annually and depends on the interest rate. The interest rate is often given per annum. The definition for simple interest, or the formula to calculate the simple interest, I is P times R times T, where P is the principal, R is the rate, which is always taken in decimals, and T is time in years. Let's take this example. We are asked to compute the interest for a loan of 500 at 8% interest for 6 months. So the principal amount is 500, the rate is 8%, and the time T is 6 months. But the rate 8% must be taken as a decimal 0.08, and the time T must be taken in years. So 6 months divided by 6 by 12 will give me 0.5, half a year. So I equal to PRT is 500 times this 0.08 times 0.5, which reduces to $20. So $20 interest and 500 initial payment. So the total amount what we get will be 500 plus 20, 520. So the borrower should repay this principal amount of $500 along with the $20 interest of 520 at the end of 6 months period. If we want to calculate the future value, then the future value is nothing but the principal amount plus the interest earned. So the total amount A, which is the future value, will be the principal amount P plus the interest I, which is PRT. We can also pull that P outside and you'll get A equal to P times 1 plus RT, where A is the amount, P is the principal, R is the rate, and T is the time. Now suppose if 3 of these variables are known to us, the fourth unknown variable can be easily obtained by solving the equation. Now let us try to calculate the present value. It says we want to earn an annual rate of 10% on our investment. So R is 10. And the total worth is 3,000. So the amount A is 3,000 and the time T is 9 months. So we have to calculate the value for P using the formula A equal to P into 1 plus RT. The rate 10% will be 0.10. The time T 9 months will be 9 by 12, which is 3/4. Plugging in this result, we can easily get the value for P to be $2,790.70. The interest rate R earned on a note. The treasury bill, usually denoted as T-bill, are used by the Treasury Department to finance the public departments. Suppose 180-day T-bill with a maturity value of 10,000 is purchased for $9,885.56. What annual simple interest rate is earned on this T-bill? So The time is 180 days. The maturity value is 10,000. It is purchased for 9,885.56. So A is equal to P into 1 plus RT, where A is given as 10,000. P is the purchased amount 9,885.56 and the time is 180. Now in this chapter he is taking the total number of days, because when bank calculates such things they always treat 30 days per month. So the total number of days they calculate not as 365 by 3, but they calculate as 360. So T will be 180 by 360. And hence, substituting that, we can easily calculate the value for R. And R is 0.0231 or 2.315%. We have to give the percentage round to 3 decimal places. So it is 2.315%. So earlier we found the principal amount, here we have got the rate of interest R. After buying a new car, you decided to sell your old car. You take a 270-day note for 3,500 at 10% simple interest. The principal plus interest is due at the end of 270 days. So we have to calculate 60 days later, you need money and sell the note to a third party for 3,550. So here there are two different stages. One, you are buying a new car. To buy a car, you get a 270-day note for 3,500, 10% interest. But 60 days later, you are in need of money, so you are selling this note to a third party for 3,550. So what annual interest rate will be the third party will receive for the investment? And hence, in the first case, when I want to buy the note for 270 days, at the end of 270 days, the amount will be P into 1 plus RT. P is 3,500. 1 plus 0.1 times T. Time T is 270 by 360. So that gives you $3,762.50. But in the next step, within 60 days period, you decide to sell it to a third party for 3,550. So the third party investment should grow from 3,550 to $3,760.50 for the remaining period. The remaining period is 270 minus 60 for 210 days. So in this case, your A is 3,762.50. The principal amount is 3,550. And the number of days here is 210 days. So from this, I can easily calculate the value for R, and R is 10.262. So this video helped us to understand some simple problems under the topic simple interest, where I is PRT and the total amount will be the principal amount P plus PRT. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. Thank you.